Hi friends, this is my new refrigerator. It is Liebherr 428 liter 2-star double door fridge. See, its annual energy consumption is 300 units per year. Normally all fridge gives 10-year warranty on the compressor, but Liebherr gives you 20-year warranty on the compressor. We have purchased this fridge from Croma on the 26th of January, which is Republic Day. So we got an additional 1-year warranty. Normally all fridge give you 1-year warranty, but we got 2-year warranty from Croma. We had bought this fridge at 52,000 after all the store and card discount, credit card discount. The temperature panel is digital. It has an on and off switch here only. We don't have to do on or off the switch from the main plug. We can on or off here only. It has an alarm. If you accidentally keep the door open, it will beep. We can increase or decrease the temperature of the refrigerator here. This is the super cool feature, the lowest setting, and here the freezer's temperature we can increase or decrease from here. And this is the super frost one. It cools or freezes the items which you keep in refrigerator immediately. The lowest temperature is -25 degree. It has an lock and then a holiday feature which we can use when we are going on vacation. The color is cobalt steel. It is slightly purplish color. We have not yet removed the protective film from the refrigerator. It is just like a mirror only. This is the freezer. It has a capacity of 93 liters, which is huge. Liebherr is a German-based product. All the shelves are from toughened glass, and the quality is very, very good. It has a separate container for ice cream, a fresh box for poultry or meat, whatever you can use. Even you can use other items also. The ice cream container is given to not to let other aroma or smell from mixing from in the ice cream. 2 shelves are on the door for keeping bottles or something like that. It has a medicine box, and the ice tray are twisty one. And even it is adjustable. If you want, you can move it from anywhere you want. A key is given to lock the fridge. The fridge has 3 shelves, toughened glass shelves, and 2 easy baskets. The small one is perfect for fruits and other leafy vegetables, and the big one is for all the vegetables. The basket is huge. The vegetable basket is big. Such racks are given to protect your shelves. You can keep utensils or baskets here, so you don't get any scratches on the shelves. A movable drawer is given for keeping milk, cheese or butter. They have given you an additional feature. You can keep any hot utensil if you have to go out and we have to keep something in the fridge. It is hot, we can keep it here. They have given this feature. I don't think any other fridges have that. It is in the fridge, not in the freezer. Okay. See, such a tray is given here. This is the door. 2 shelves are given for bottles. You can keep big bottles also. There is an adjustable divider. It has a video box For keeping small food items or something like that, or masala items you can keep also. It has 2 egg holders. You can keep a dozen eggs here. See, these are the spice boxes. They have given you spice boxes with lids, so the aroma doesn't get lost. I have not seen this feature in any other fridge. See, the box is also big. You can keep masala or spices. So this is my fridge. Hope you enjoyed the video.